In this video, we're going to learn how to do this, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below.
Here's how to turn on or off keyboard sound on your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find the Sounds and Haptics option. You'll see an option called Keyboard Feedback. Tap on it to access the keyboard feedback settings. In the keyboard feedback settings, you'll see an option at the very top called Sounds. You can either turn it on or off depending on your preference. If you want to hear a clicking sound every time you type on your iPhone keyboard, turn it on. If you prefer a silent typing experience, turn it off. Turning on or off keyboard sounds on your iPhone is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. Thank you for watching.